You are going to love the 2011 Routan. Ladies and gentlemen, start your families. The Routan boom has begun and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.